We can divide economics up into three major sections. The first one is microeconomics, then macroeconomics, and market economics. In this class, we are going to focus primarily on microeconomics. So let's go ahead and divide that up into two additional sections. We have the microeconomics of production and then microeconomics of consumption. Microeconomics of production is the economics of an individual producer or firm making management decisions. These decisions often encompass these first four questions. It encompasses the what, the how much, and then when. On an individual firm or an individual producer, whenever they go to start producing their products, they're going to be looking at what are they going to produce, how much are they going to produce, how much are they going to produce, and then when are they going to produce it. But they really don't concern themselves with this for whom. They really don't concern themselves with necessarily who's buying their products. They're looking at it more of just from a production standpoint, answering those first four questions. Microeconomics of consumption is the economies or the economics of the individual consumer making decisions on the allocation of the family budget. And that answers that last question of that for whom. Whenever we're talking about the microeconomics of consumption, we're looking at how individual consumers are buying and their buying patterns. What are they buying? How are they buying stuff? How are they allocating the family budget? And that often brings in that scarcity and choice. There's only a finite amount of money in a family budget. So therefore, this consumer must make decisions on what are they going to buy. And they must make those choices based off of that scarcity of that family budget. Then let's go ahead and talk about macroeconomics and market economics. Macroeconomics is the study of the entire economy. It often looks at items such as employment, inflation, monetary issues, GDP, imports and exports, things of that nature, stuff that affects the whole macroeconomy. Looks at the macroeconomy as a whole. Then we also get into market economics. Market economics is the study of dealings in a particular commodity by all of the potential buyers and sellers, looking at it as a group. So whenever we talk about market economics, we're looking at individual commodity and studying the behaviors of all of the potential buyers and the potential sellers as a whole inclusive group.